Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for Cogni. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. Once you click on the link, you'll be informed that it will take you to another application. To proceed, tap on Open. So it will take you to the App Store where you can download the app. To download, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, you'll see a preview of how Cogni works. Read it and tap on the right arrow. To start the sign up, tap on the Register for an Account button. First, enter the email you wish to use. Then tap on Send Email Code. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Also, enter your phone number. Then tap on Done. Next, set up a username and password for your account. Once done, read and review the agreements highlighted in blue text. Then check the box to confirm that you agree to the account, deposit, and crypto agreements. After that, tap on the Next button. For further info, enter your SSN or Social Security number. To digitally verify your identity, it is required to take a photo of your ID and face. So you must allow access to your camera, take a photo of your ID, and take a photo of yourself. Tap on Next and proceed to the capturing. And now your verification data has been successfully submitted. Tap on Continue. To know if you're approved, tap again on the Continue button. And once you're approved, you may proceed logging into Cogni. That's how you sign up for Cogni. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.